And then write the numbers 1, 2, dot, 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 9, 1 through 9 on a separate cards, one number per card. She wishes to divide the cards into three groups of three cards so that the sum of the numbers in each group will be the same. In how many ways this can be done? Okay, let's write first the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. She wants to make three groups of three, and each group have the same sum. 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is the first group. 1, 2, 3. This is the second group. 1, 2, 3. This is the third group. And the first thing we should find, what's the sum in each group? To find that, we have to add the numbers 1 through 9, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 9. And we can do this by just pairing. 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, which is 20, 3 plus 7 is 10, 30, 4 plus 6 is 10, 40, and plus 5, 45. 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 9, the sum is 45. So to make separate three groups the same sum, 45 divided by 3, each group has the sum is 15. Okay, now the next thing is how we can separate these numbers. Each group is the sum is 15. First of all, we should focus on the larger numbers, which is 7, 8, and 9. These numbers should be in separate piles, separate groups, because 7 plus 8 is already 15, and we need a third number. So the bigger numbers should be put in a separate pile, separate groups. 7 is in the first group, let's say. 8 is in the second group, and 9 is in the third group. Again, we cannot put them in the same group because it's already, if we need a third number and we are getting more than 15 for the sum. And the next thing is let's find out how much more we need, which is we can have 7 plus 8, we need here plus 8 more. And this one, we need plus 7 more. 8 plus 7 is 15, and 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, let's decide how we can get 8. We can get 8 is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. And we can get 8, 3 plus 5. We have two cases. So 2 plus 6 or 3 plus 5. Let's do two separate cases. And this is for case 1. Maybe I should duplicate all this like this, put the second case. Can be split. If we have the first case is 8 is 2 plus 6. The second case is 8 is 3 plus 5. And according to this, if we put 2 plus 6 here, now the first group is 15. The second group is 8 plus 7, and I can get 7 is 3 plus 4 is 7. And the last group I need 6, which is I need 1 plus 5 is 6. And all the numbers are divided into three groups of three cards, and the groups have the same sum. And the second case, 3 plus 5 is 8. Let's put 3 and 5 here. And we need 7 for the second group, and 7 is the only case. 1 plus 6 is 7. And the last two numbers left, and they add up to 6, which is 4 plus 2 is 6. Looks like we can divide in two different ways these numbers into three groups of three cards, and each group has the same sum. Answer is option C.